Hi and welcome to Scandic Outdoors. My name is Tor. Today I'm actually traveling out to this brackish water called Steinsvatnet behind me here, and I'll try to find a camp spot over in the forest up there. And tomorrow I'll try to travel along the coast of Frøya. So let's begin the trip and see how it goes. I actually have something. Oh my god. Ooh. Look at that one. Look at what a beauty this is. It's a nice little cod. But I'm actually going to release him again. He's very beautiful and young. So this one can actually go out and swim again.